be honest, I was very uncomfortable talking about periods in general. Like I was somebody जो छुपाती थी and all. And
I think for me it was talking about safe sex, because this is something that is highly not. I mean, I don't know if I would actually go back and talk about all of this with my parents, or maybe I can. I mean, I don't know. But
like they were all guys, and I was the only girl. And I felt like, and no, it was so different. Like,
Welcome to the Human Ping. I'm Sakshi Arora, and let's welcome the team of the interns. Yay!
hey,
So Ehsas, Rashmi, and Revati, welcome. And I want to ask you, do you remember the first day on the sets and how did you guys break the ice? Because I was watching you people that you really share a great bond with each other. So how did you break the ice?
I think our ice was broken long back,
yeah.
whatever that is, because we
Friends
know
for a
each
while.
other from a very like quite some time now. So yeah, we already knew each other, but yeah, like I think now we've become even more close.
Yeah, it
और
was
फर्स्ट डे ऑफ शूट तो मतलब अभी था,
it was
मतलब
काफी
लॉकडाउन
fun
के
था.
बाद शूट किया था, तो हाँ.
It was like a picnic for us every day.
Nice. So I want to ask you, because you guys share such a good bond and you guys are friends, did it ever happen that you were shooting something and you just couldn't stop your laughter? Because we are in situations at times that we are with friends and something is funny, and because we are with each other we just can't stop laughing. Did it happen to you on the sets? एहसास
Yeah,
like
yeah.
अरे हर scene, every scene, I cannot control my laughter. You would have seen the trailer. Sorry, Ehsas again. You would have seen the trailer. उसमें से बीच में सुगंधा खुशबू बहुत चिल्लाती है कि
Yeah.
ये है डिजिटल डिवा का वॉइस. उसमें तो मैंने बहुत हंसा है, क्योंकि उसके बाद मैं एंटर करती हूँ like into the room and I hear that, and जब मैं I was behind the camera also, I was only laughing. So वो एक scene I will never forget, because she was killing it and I was only laughing there. I feel bad also, but it was very funny.
What about you, एहसास?
Laughing, so it was always there, but I think I just remembered one as a random memory. ऐसे बात करते करते, so we were shooting a scene, and suddenly I started singing a Kailash Kher song, and I started singing. Then Revati started singing. Then Rashmi started singing. Then Bhatu is the director of the show. Bhatu started singing. Then Shri and then suddenly the entire set is singing, and we all like, so जो वो friends है वो होता है ना, वो बीच में वैसे. I think in one episode where all of them are sitting in the cafe. हाँ, and that legit happened where like all of us were singing the song. मतलब वो basically my point is that everybody on set was so like all of us were having so much fun, and we all were so comfortable with each other, and we were like a little family shooting one छोटा सा show and having fun. So मतलब it was like really nice. Like the last 8 days, like the 8 days that we shot together were like a blast.
Right. Rashmi, what do you have to say?
So if you see the episodes, girls, जो third episode में when we are at that tapri and Shivankit comes in with that bike, they have actually used it. We are laughing. We are out of the character. You can actually see us laughing. So I feel, हाँ, मतलब तू नहीं है, because last episode में, मतलब तू नहीं है. I mean, because you go
When
with him
you're
on the bike. But like Anna is laughing, Viveka is laughing, although ऐसा कुछ है ही नहीं. So I feel whenever Shivankit and Khushbu, उनके साथ जितने भी सीन्स होते थे ना, मेरी हंसी लाइक, क्योंकि मेरा वो कैरेक्टर था कि वो एकदम ऐसे सीरियस है, नो नॉनसेंस टाइप है, मतलब सारे हंस देंगे बट इसको नहीं हंसी आएगी, ऐसा है. बट आई मीन इट वाज वेरी डिफिकल्ट फॉर मी, बिकॉज ये लोग ये दो एक्टर्स ऐसे है ना, हर टेक में कुछ ना कुछ अलग करेंगे और कुछ बहुत ज्यादा फनी कर देंगे. तो या गो यू कैन point out that it's there in the third episode on that tapri scene.
That's
Yeah,
fantastic.
Well, I take you.
Actually.
Yeah.
My next question is that, interns in general are kind of treated very badly, like a lot of work is given and no pay and stuff like that. I want to know, because you all are actors, have you ever felt that you have been treated as the intern while on the sets or while in a meeting and you felt very bad about it?
luckily for me, no, never. I've been very lucky that way. Uh, कि ऐसा
Yeah, I
मतलब डांट पड़ी है सेट पे बहुत बार डायरेक्टर से यूजुअली, पर ऐसे वी नेवर बीन इल ट्रीटेड एवर,
Yeah.
टच वुड. So yeah.
Same touch.
never.
What about you girls?
Yeah, the same. I mean, मतलब डांट, हाँ डांट तो पड़ती है बिकॉज मस्ती हम उतना करते हैं. So apart from that, तो ill treat and ऐसा overload. I mean, नहीं वैसा never felt that burden or anything. जो भी.
also I feel one of the reasons could be because we all three we started working at a very young age. So you know,
हाँ,
whenever you are
maybe.
like the youngest on set, you are someone who is most taken care of and everything.
Yeah.
तो ये सारी चीजें मतलब ज्यादा नहीं होती. Yeah, so no, nothing for me.
Right. You know, when there's so much of feminine energy on sets, how is it different for you while shooting on another set which doesn't have this much of feminine energy?
Exactly. This is something that I've like felt very strongly. So right after we shot Interns, I shot a sketch for a channel जिसमें I was the only girl and everybody else, like they were all guys and I was the only girl. And I felt like, and no, it was so different. Like I'm like, ये यार ये क्या हो रहा है, ये यही होता है when you shoot with your friends. And it was not just a female energy. It was also like I was shooting with my friends, like Reti, Rashmi, even Khushbu for that matter, like very good friends of mine. So it is very strong. I can't really explain how it feels, but I actually felt that, you know, when you are shooting with a bunch of girls and who are your friends, and then later when you get out of it and you go to any other set, you feel that void and you feel a little different for sure. So मुझे तो हुआ था, but I think really different. I kept in touch with both of them. I missed them a lot after we finished shooting. So I think Reti and Rashmi are the only people I've actually kept in touch with after a shoot has ended or a show is completed. So yeah.
Nice. What about you, Repti?
For me also, I mean, it was the same क्योंकि अगर वैसे देखा जाए तो in this industry currently it's only Rashmi and Ehsas who are like super close to me, and they are like my elder sisters जिसके पास now I know कि, you know, I can turn to them for anything, like छोटे से छोटी चीज भी होना. Even now the other time also कुछ ना कुछ तो छोटा छोटा आता है तो I'm like, listen ना, help me out of this, and they're like नहीं chill मार, ऐसे ऐसे करते. So they're always there to help me out, you know. And वो, you know, once when you have that comfort zone, when you share that cozy nice comfort zone with a person, and then you suddenly go out and shoot with somebody else, not that they're bad or anything, but it's just the coming out of your shell and shooting with somebody else, with a different team, is a little, not difficult, but it's a little different, you know. The vibe is completely different. So that's it for me.
Rashmi?
Similar things what Reti and Essa said, but apart from that, what I would like to add to this is that for the longest time, see, I have been very grateful for all the projects that I've been part of. It's because of them that I've got whatever recognition I have right now, be it Immature or Raspberry or Andhadhun. But I was really craving for a script which tells women's stories, which tells stories of girls. And in this case, it is The Interns, which is the story of 3 girls. And this is what Girlyappa has been doing.
Yeah.
So I mean, yes, see, on set we had like a mix of like our crew was the male female ratio or in a crew was like, you know, balanced that way. But on screen, if you see, Digital Diva is a space जहाँ ज़्यादा करके लड़कियाँ या औरतें हैं. Our boss is also female, so I really like that part because, you know, here these are like women-led stories. Like, you know, of course, like now Bhatu is directing it, but our writers are women like Khushbu and Tracy and Chirag. Well, they and Bhatu also. They wrote it. So after a very long time, I was so glad to come on a set where, you know, our main characters are females. The office, the co-workers are like the co-actors are mainly female, and I really like that part of it. So, you know, like you said that, you know, when there is this nice feminine energy on set, so it was a very good break and something. It was very satisfactory. That's how I can put it.
You know, in the recent past, you know, for the longest time, we were craving for like stories based on women's friendship or just like day-to-day lives of women, not only just the revenge stories. And finally, we can see that happening in the Hindi industry also. either through web series or web shows or like movies. I want to ask you, now that there have been a few movies and shows which are based on female friendship, how is your show different than those? Like
Uh,
thoughts or the wedding that came, and there have been sketches also that have gone viral that's based on female friendship. How is your show different?
I think this show is not about friendship, to be honest. Like, इस show में, like, Anna, Lily, and Viveka are not friends. I mean, they are friends, but it's not about their friendship. It's a show about individual stories. हम तीनों की individual stories हैं इसमें, and how we stand up for ourselves, and what problems and what background like each one of us come from. So I think it's more about that, and also like I personally feel that this topic of internship, nobody has ever touched this topic. So I think it's also very new for the audience, and especially for YouTube audience, and especially for TVF Galyapa audience. It's something very new because nobody has ever spoken about interns and what they go through. And uske upar se these are girls and they work in a social media company. So like a digital media company. So I think it's very, very different from any other show, but it again touches the same topic about how what girls go through, and what like major issues, like unka issue, like unki first world problems nahi, unki deeper issues are like relationships and restrictions from parents, or like doing what you thought you wanted to do all this while, and how your company or how your boss doesn't let you do what you want, and how you have to find your own voice. So I think it's pretty, like, some points are very similar, but I think overall it's very different. Yeah.
I see. I want to come to this topic now that, I remember Galyapa was one of the first kind of platforms where they kind of made a song on periods, which was like quite a taboo subject for very long. And like even till we were like
Yeah.
adults, it was like a little like embarrassing to talk about that periods and all that
Right.
stuff. So I want to know, as actors, was there any topic which you were given, or like during acting, which you were kind of uncomfortable to talk about in your real life, but doing that sketch kind of open your horizons, or doing that act of open your horizons, ki it's not bad to talk about such stuff? Was that any topic for you like that?
Sorry,
I
I'm
think it
gonna-
is.
हाँ, बोल, बोल.
I think it for me it was talking about safe sex, because this is something that is highly not. I mean, I don't know if I would actually go back and talk about all of this with my parents, or maybe I can. I mean, I don't know. But that has like opened up me a bit, because you see in our sketches and in our scripts. तो मतलब पहले वो हिचकिचाहट थी, but now I think it has become easy, comfortable.
Yeah, Asas, you were also saying something about the same thing.
Yeah, like you spoke about the period song, and I was a part of the period
Yes.
song.
This is the period song was Asas's first video.
Yeah, I
First
remember.
ever
With
video
girl,
on
yeah.
YouTube.
Video
Yeah,
with
yeah, yeah.
On
ये
YouTube,
पता
oh.
चला
Galyapa and on YouTube.
Yeah.
Like I had never touched
Yeah.
like that was my debut in the digital world.
Yeah.
And this was shot back in 2017, and तब I was 17 years old. And to be honest, I was very uncomfortable talking about periods in general. Like I was somebody जो छुपाती थी and all. And with this song, I think it was so funny because the entire song is like taking a dig on how people just don't talk about periods, and how they wrap the sanitary pad in a newspaper and then give it to you, like these little things. And I think that maybe that video was like a life changing experience for me, because after that video I started openly talking about periods and menses and all of these things. So for me it was, and obviously I was like, also my mom was on set with me. She usually matlab at that time she used to come to my set, to all my sets. So she was there, and she also read like the script, and she was there, and she saw everything happening. Matlab there is this one it's so funny, like I'm sitting ऐसा chair बनाया है tampons का.
Yeah.
तो उसमें मैं ऐसे go to red bedding in my pants क्योंकि period अभी बाकी है, and it's so funny. And I was like, ये क्या हो रहा है, क्यों ये क्या कर रहे हैं लोग, और सब इतनी chill है, सब बिंदास बात कर रहे हैं, इतना बड़ा पैड है उस पे लाल धब्बे और ऐसे ऐसे उठा के जा रहे हैं, हमने what the hell is happening, who does this? But I think that video basically just changed everything, and I got more comfortable talking about periods with my mother and in general.
I think kudos to your mom also that she was on sets, but she did not make a big deal about it. You know, a lot of people might be like, what
I
my
mean, she
daughter
knew
is
about
doing.
the song, obviously.
Yeah.
Haan, she knew because I auditioned for the song and then I got the script and everything, so she knew of it. But yeah, I mean, she's still that way. I think eventually she's gotten chill. Then I spoke about condoms also in one of my
Yeah.
series. There was a series on Girl Yappa. It was called Girls Planning. तो उसमें तो वो मतलब पूरा हम सेक्स के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं, तो वो कर लिया था फिर मैंने, ऐसी बहुत सी चीजें की है. तो आई थिंक इवेंचुअली माय मॉम हैज ग्रोन अप विद मी बिकॉज ऑफ माय वर्क. So yeah, it's been always like that.
Revti, anything like that to you?
No, I mean पहले even I was a little कि मतलब ऐसे कैसे we can talk about pads and sanitary pads in a sketch or a web series, but now तो हमने literally एक पूरी web series बना दी है in collaboration with Whisper. So I think with time passing, I think we all have grown, we've all broadened our minds. So yeah, now वो taboo जो था वो I think हट गया है.
Right.
And now everybody is pretty comfortable. चाहे वो on set when the director is explaining to us stuff or anybody for that matter, when the brand people are talking, for that matter anybody, everybody have become so chill about it कि मतलब it's a normal thing that happens. So yeah, I mean everybody has grown up, as Aisha said.
Yeah, cool.
Yeah. Also, I would like to add one thing over here. What used to happen to me earlier is that whenever, I mean, obviously, when you get your period, there are like so many things happening. You are down, you don't feel well and everything. And many a times we tend to lie. You can tell from someone's face, like, the girl's face that, something is off. But, कई बार हम ऐसे झूठ बोल देते, नहीं यार सिर में दर्द है, नहीं यार यहाँ हो रहा है. But abhi, I'm just like, yeah, I'm actually on my period, so things are a bit irritating. So I'm just like, कोई अगर stranger भी होगा ना, तो शायद मैं भी उसको बोल दूँ. अब उसको क्या लगेगा नहीं पता, but मैं तो comfortable हो गई हूँ बात से.
Well, that's the power of social media. Cool. Thank you so much for talking to us, and let's hope कि इसके और भी seasons आते जाए. Thank you, girls.
Thank you
Yes,
so much.
thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Bye.
Take care.